What diabetics should eat for breakfast? Did you know that 1 in 10 people in the United States has diabetes? Hello viewers and welcome back to another video. We've been reminded countless times of the importance of breakfast, which typically consists of toast or cereal, but for diabetics, choosing the right foods can be quite a challenge. It is crucial to have the proper fuel to get through the day. A balanced breakfast for diabetics consists of lean protein, fiber, healthy fats, and non-starchy vegetables. This also includes replacing common breakfast foods with low-sugar alternatives. Wondering what foods to select? Greek yogurt blended with fruit porridge with berries and avocado accompanied by fried eggs. Welcome to the Health Hub, where information meets motivation and wellness, creating more connected health tips to help people on their path to better health. In this video, we are going to talk about breakfast foods for diabetics. 1. Toast with eggs and lentils. Eggs have always been recognized as a breakfast superstar. Whether or not you're diabetic, they're the go-to option for a quick, healthy meal. Yet, eggs alone are not enough to balance out the flavor and nutritional content of a meal. Although lentils are not among the most well-known breakfast options, they have excellent reason to be among the best. Lentils provide an immediate source of fiber and protein, two essential nutrients for building muscle and maintaining a lean physique. Inexpensive and easy to make, eggs, lentils, and bread will quickly become your favorite breakfast. 2. Roasted vegetable egg. Omelette vegetable and egg omelettes are two incredibly full dinners. Instead of eating a basic egg, try putting in some vegetables. This will add a ton of nutrients to the egg. But how does this help manage glucose levels? The fiber in the roasted veggies contributes to the slower digestion of meals, resulting in significantly more stable blood sugar levels. Adding roasted vegetables such as tomatoes, broccoli, carrots, and spinach to an already nutritious omelette will increase its nutritional value and make it a more well-balanced meal. This omelette is simple to prepare and is delicious, nutrient-dense, and healthful. 3. Avocado served with a fried egg. Let's begin with a breakfast option that you may have seen on social media. The combination of avocado and fried eggs in a salad or in a sandwich is not only deliciously filling but also packed with nutrients that will help stabilize blood sugar levels. Avocado's healthy fats and omega-3 fatty acids pair well with the lean protein of fried eggs to create a nutrient-dense breakfast. Avocado's fiber and heart-healthy minerals also help reduce inflammation. The best part is that you can get creative with the herbs and seasonings. What is your favorite avocado toast topping? Comment in the section below and start a conversation with our friend community. 4. Oatmeal topped with nut butter. A bowl of oatmeal may appear simple, but that's not the case. Diabetic or not, it's a great breakfast option. For anyone who doesn't want to start their day feeling full and active, a wholesome bowl of oatmeal topped with organic nut butter will keep you active throughout the day. The soluble fiber that's packed in the oats not only lowers cholesterol levels and protects your heart health, but also reduces glucose absorption, which means that fasting blood sugar tends to remain stable. The combination of oatmeal and nut butter aids digestion while also providing antioxidants that benefit your skin and hair. 5. Strawberry jelly and peanut butter or grilled bread. No longer is it a strict no-no for diabetics to consume sugary meals, as organic sugar-free peanut butter on whole wheat toast topped with a tiny quantity of strawberry jam is the perfect recipe for a sweet breakfast. The base, consisting of whole grains, has a good amount of fiber that slows the breakdown of food, while the peanut butter layer provides a plethora of nutrients like vitamins, calcium, manganese, and many more. 6. With whole grain toast and hummus. When it comes to breakfast, diabetics must think outside the box. Hummus, which ranks extremely low on glycemic index, is often overlooked, but it can be a lifesaver as a healthier alternative. Hummus is made by mashing chickpeas into a butter-like consistency and mixing them with garlic and salt. Despite containing few ingredients, hummus is surprisingly flavorful. Simply spread hummus on toast made with whole grains and sprinkle chia seeds on top for added nutrition. 7. Hash your fries made with sweet potatoes. Sweet potato hash is a healthy alternative to regular potato hash because it is low on the glycemic index and does not cause a rise in blood sugar. Its orange color is due to the presence of carotenoids, which are known to reduce the risk of developing cancer. You can eat it as a breakfast side dish or substitute it for your favorite potato dish or a healthier version. 8. Chia seed pudding. The saying "don't judge a book by its cover" applies to chia seeds. Not only do they add an earthy, nutty flavor to water puddings and salads, but they also keep the stomach full until lunch. Chia seed pudding is the perfect healthy breakfast meal loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and is a vegan favorite. 9. Fruit smoothie. Making a berry smoothie is a nutritious and tasty way to start the day that also saves time. The health benefits of blackberry, blueberry, strawberry, and raspberry are well known. It keeps you mentally sharp with nutrients called anthocyanins. A glass of berries is loaded with antioxidants that boost immunity and eliminate toxins from the body. When it comes to diabetics, this smoothie also fights inflammation, a major contributor to diabetes. To add extra nutritional value and make the smoothie more filling, blend in some unsweetened Greek yogurt, banana, and spinach. 10. Cereal made from whole grains. Cereal consumption when diabetic is not recommended. Certainly, it's inexpensive, easy to cook, and requires no recipe. Sugary cereals are harmful to blood sugar levels due to their high sugar content. Whole grain cereals are high in fiber and protein and are free of toxic artificial sweeteners. Substituting all-purpose flour with whole grain flour reduces the risk of stroke and other heart-related disorders. If weight loss is your objective, in addition to switching to whole grains, regular exercise is the key. 11. Pumpkin quinoa with berries. Quinoa is without a doubt the ideal breakfast food for diabetics as its complex carbohydrates, fiber, and protein are slowly digested and do not produce erratic blood glucose fluctuations. Also, you won't feel hungry by mid-morning if you have it for breakfast with mashed pumpkin and berries of your choice. Pumpkin also contains critical minerals such as carotenoids, vitamin C and E, and folate, all of which help improve the immune system. Adding berries, nuts, and seeds to your meal will increase its nutritional value and make it fuller. For diabetics, skipping breakfast is not an option, and adopting a healthy and active lifestyle is essential for optimizing dietary habits. Hopefully, this video has answered a couple of questions. This video, as always, is for educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please give us a like, subscribe, and comment for more health tips.